Welcome to Vchannel. Today we will continue with the series, Building Automation. And today we're going to come to a very important node, so that we can develop a lot of bot. That bot is AI agent. It will help the word flow. We're getting smarter, a lot. If we start with this workflow, we will use a trigger, that is, chat trigger, for us to communicate with the AI. This will give us an interface to chat. And the next one, we're going to create AI agent node. Then this node, it's going to help us interact with most of the AI models at the present time, such as ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Grok. This is the design of the node AI agent. We'll have a chat model to connect with. Let's open AI, for example. We also have DeepSeek. I'll connect with you in a moment. Deep is much cheaper. Later, many brothers moved OpenAI to DeepSeek. Here we'll connect to OpenAI API to create a new credential. There will be an API key. If we get the API, we will go to the OpenAI page. We log an API platform. Then we will go into the settings. Press the API key. Here it will let us create. Click on Create New Set Key. Then we'll name it. Then choose the project. And then create set key. It's going to create us this API. We're going to copy this API key. You have to deposit here. Brothers, how to deposit money is to go to the billing here. We'll add credit card information and choose the amount. $5. Then we'll have to million inputs or 500,000 output token. Success here. 2N8 and paste in. Here we can name it. Then this one doesn't need to be filled out. Then we press save. Then the connection was successful, brothers. Here we will be chosen. Which model in OpenAI? We will try to chat. This first step, click on this chat, then we chat here. And immediately you see that it replied back to me. If it's faulty, there's no reply. You can also choose here, conversation agent. So this is the AI that's used to play. It's still here. It's specialized in connecting to the tool. It can be done in any language. And now I will try it. I'm Han. That's my name. Hello, Han. How can I assist you today? But now I ask again, what is my name? It doesn't know. I'm sorry. It doesn't know my name, cause it doesn't have memory. He just answered that question right away. But the previous one doesn't remember. It doesn't know what it's telling us. I need to add this node. This is buffer memory. It's that simple. We've added this node. So now I try to ask you again. I'm Han. And what is my name? Your name is Han, okay, fine. It's got data in it, guys. Next we will connect to the tool. The toolkits that will help us train. It has its own knowledge to suit our needs. For example, we can upload hundreds of PDF files, or about the price list of product information. He has knowledge of that. When we or the customer chat with it, and it knows an answer, it's the same with other data. Or we can also connect to other knowledge, just like on Google, on Bing, so that it has the data it answers to. The installation of this tool, it's going to help us do that. It's very good. It's like putting a library of knowledge in there. It will help. We're smarter. We have more knowledge. Then we press on. We can connect to the data, like this Wikipedia. Or it can get data from Google. Google, we will choose here SERP API. Or we will have. What's really important is the vector store. It's going to aggregate data so that answer, give us the best possible answer. And it can also connect back to HTTP request tool. As we learn in the foreground, it'll help us connect with other platforms via API. If it doesn't have node like this one, how to install HTTP request node. I have given you very detailed instructions in the previous clip. Or it'll help us call another flow. This is called Android. If we want to connect to a workflow, others to handle the work, to need to provide more complex data, it will help. AI, we have more information to answer or to solve a problem. Now, let's do an example. That is to connect this AI agent with Google Search to find places to go, and we asked him to set up an appointment on Google Calendar. Let us check the first task. Then I delete this wiki. SERP API. Then we will find serpapi.com. Then we will register an account. We can also log in directly with Google. In here it also has free plan and paid plan. Then we have API we will copy. Create credential here. And paste it on API key. Then connect successfully. It has nodes, so very simple, guys. We have connected to the Google search database. And now we ask anything on Google. Then it will have information by searching it on Google and answer for us. The data source is from Google search. For example, I asked which are the top 5 clothing stores in Ho Chi Minh City. It begin connect. Then go here and handle this through save to memory, then let us answer. There. Full information. Address, phone number, opening hours with pictures and shipping. Then it is successful. Now we will come to next example. Next example is, we will schedule on Google Calendar by AI agent. We use tools, so you choose agent. Right here is tool because we need to connect to the tool. And here we will connect to the tool that is Google Calendar. Here, if you use cloud version, just log in. But if using self-host version, then you will connect. Like the clip I showed you guys, similar to Google Sheet API connection. Now comes the important step we will install. Here, brothers, you guys do it step by step exactly as I did, and you will get it. But if it is wrong, it will be very troublesome. On the back of these items, default is fine. Description you choose automatically. We choose automatically. Select event. And operation, we need to create a schedule. Then we select create here. What calendar? Then we will select the calendar on the account we need. For example, my is Vchannel AI Academy. And this part is important, guys. Start is the start time for this appointment. Then we will switch to expression here, as I have instructed you in previous lessons. Then this will allow us to get dynamic data. We will start this code with 2 curly brackets. Will come JSON, that is money you type in from AI. To get data from AI, open to parentheses. Then inside we will enter the quotes. Inside, these 2 quotes will be entered as start time. It's a bit related to code, so please pay attention. Then because we don't have the data yet, so it has not been previewed yet. But with code like this, it already understands what we want. Then continue similarly below this and part end. We also choose expression and type in the same code as above. Copy down below. Start time. Then now we will change it to end time. That is the end time of this appointment. Just a little bit related to code. Then in the use default reminder, then you guys leave it as it is. Let it continue to turn on. We need to add 2 fields. The first field is description. Important version. Here it will contain the descriptive information about our date. Thanks to AI it came here. Descriptive information. Then you will use the code as follows. Also to curly brackets. Guys, remember to choose expression here. To make it dynamic we use JSON. If you fixed it, it's just raw text. Then in the 2 curly brackets we will $, from AI, open to parentheses and quotes. Then we will enter description. Period, comma. Each letter must be typed correctly. Then it understands me. Then there is another field that is summary. We will add 1 more field. Summary is a summary of the appointment too. This summary code is similar. Instead of description, now you just look at the word summary. Remember to switch to expression, guys. Now let's try to enter. Go into this chat box. Create an event for tomorrow morning for cafe at District 1 at 8 a.m. Now let's see. How does it work with the settings so far? It create let us date 14 October 2023. So the problem has been wrong date. It cannot be determined. What day is today? So I said, tomorrow, it will be. It was the wrong day. The way to handle it is like this. You guys are calm, so come in. Go to AI agent, add option, system message. Then we enter here. Brother, remember to choose an expression so that we can use JSON dynamics. Set a calendar event with this structure, today date. We're using these 2 brackets, $ now. And we'll get results like this, right here today, And we'll note, give it 1 more. Setting in which country we will choose. For example, I am Vietnam. Let's add this sentence. Now, we're going to try again. Event dinner with partner. Then it comes out exactly. 23 hours. It's determined that tomorrow will be February 23rd. 2025 we will be able to click here to quickly enter this calendar. Then exactly, the 23rd of February, dinner with partner. Wonderful. And now to public to the internet. First, I need active this workflow. Go to this node chat. Guys, turn this on. Public, copy this URL. It will be available here. We can also change it here. Hello. And now we remember to save here. Now, we're going to go to the chat box. Here we have a user interface that says hello. Please, it's 8 p.m. We already have an interface and use it. We're going to have a party here, guys. And the exact blue spy is always great, and we can also upgrade it too. It communicates with us by voice. Brothers, the following articles will guide you. Please subscribe to YouTube Vchannel to watch the news, technology knowledge, as well as general technology product reviews, as well as automation series in particular. I wish you success. Goodbye and see you later.